Hi, you are trying to access one of the Makers Lab courses and you cannot open it. You have something like this logo looping indefinitely. Let's see the few steps that you can follow to try and solve this problem. First, make sure that you can access a glitch by going on hello-webpage.glitch.me and that you have this message that appears. If that's not the case, you are probably in a country or having an ISP, an internet provider, that is blocking access to glitch. If that's the case, contact us via email and we'll try to find a solution. If this is not the case and you can access this website perfectly, make sure that you are using a modern web browser. We recommend Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, and there they are up to date. Here, that is the case. You can check that anytime by going on Chrome about Google Chrome. It will be the same for Firefox. If you are using Windows, it will be probably help about Google Chrome or about Mozilla Firefox. Please don't use something like Internet Explorer, Safari, or another browser. Then, one quick fix that you can try to implement, and a more temporary one, is try to open the course using incognito mode, meaning navigation privée in French. For that, you can go on File, New Incognito Windows. If that solves the problem, let's see which small fixes you can implement to have a more permanent access to the course. First, maybe you have an extension. Here I am using, for example, uBlock, an ad blocker, that might be blocking some of the content of the course to be loaded correctly. If that's not the problem, you can also delete the cookies by clicking on the lock icon, going on cookies, and then click here to remove everything that will be on this list. And then if the problem is still not solved, maybe you will need to go on privacy and security, cookies, and make sure that one of the first two options are selected. If you are blocking all third-party cookies or completely all cookies, you won't be able to access one of our courses. Finally, if you are having a web page like this, and even on clicking on the name of the course to reload it, you still haven't access to the course, make sure that you are using a current session. For example, here, this is my mistake. I'm on the 2020 session while we are currently in 2021. Finally, if after doing all this your problem is still not solved, you can contact us via email. But first, please open the JavaScript console and include in your message any error that you might have here. For example, what will help us here is the JSON error, and that means that there is a configuration problem on our site. Thank you very much and see you.